We put a lot of energy into our days. What if we could get some of that energy back? Ampy is a wearable device that captures the energy from your motion throughout the day and turns it into power for your phone. Your movement is your power. And that's about it. That's all there is to it.
Wait, cut. That's it?
Yeah, you move and you plug.
This is supposed to be a 3-minute video. You're killing me.
Tejas, Mike, and I met during our engineering PhDs at Northwestern. We all had the same problem. Our phones would die before the end of the day. So many people have this problem.
Over the past year and a half, we've refined the technology inside Ampy. We have optimized the power generation components to the point where you can still produce significant power while maintaining a small form factor. You don't need to be an athlete, any motion will charge it.
We knew we were onto something when Ampy kept winning crowd favorite prizes at business competitions. Everyone kept asking if they could get one. People love the idea of taking control over their charging habits. It frees them from the wall and motivates them to get moving.
Ampy is designed to just fit into your life. Its shape matches the curves of your body, and it's easy to slip into your pocket or pop into your purse. If you live in a city, you probably walk enough to extend your phone's battery life by 3 hours. If you also go on a run or maybe go cycling, you can extend it by 6 hours. The more you move, the more power you get. Or you can use Ampy to charge your wearable devices, or any other device that charges via USB. But you don't need to use the power right away. You can store it for however long you want, and use it when your devices need it most. Now we know that everyone's different, and some people move in some pretty creative ways. So we've designed an accessory kit that lets you move just about any way you want. We can't wait to hear how you use Ampy. If you want to know how much power you're getting out, you can check the companion smartphone app. It lets you track the energy you've generated along with the calories you've burned. With Ampy, you're producing green energy. We've got fully functional prototypes being tested by our pilot customers, and they love them. We're continuously collecting feedback and making improvements, but now we need your support for the final step, to move Ampy towards full-scale manufacturing.
We're so excited about what's to come. One day, our technology could be integrated directly into smartwatches, fitness trackers, and other crazy wearables that haven't been invented yet, so you never have to plug them in.
But it all starts now, so join us and help us bring Ampy to the world. Is that better?
Yeah. Can I get one?
Your home is your sanctuary, worth protecting, but it's filled with smart devices that can actually open you to intruders. Over 70% of internet-connected devices in your home are vulnerable to attacks, and criminals can use them to invade your privacy. And they can steal your property, identity, and sense of security. They can even turn your home into a hub for illegal activity without you knowing. Not cool. Safeguard your home with Cujo, one device that protects you against hacks, viruses, and malware. Just plug in Cujo to keep your entire home secure, virtually and physically. It learns how the devices in your home behave using machine learning. When something's wrong, it automatically blocks the threat. So your connected life is protected. And you're free to be cool. Cujo Cool. Get Cujo now.
Alexa, alarm off. Alexa, what's on the calendar today?
You have 12 events scheduled.
Alexa, call me an Uber.
Your Uber will arrive in 2 minutes.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
There's a 100% chance of showers.
Alexa, pair my Bluetooth speaker.
Okay, paired.
Alexa, it's time to reorder some paper towels.
Okay, order placed.
And Alexa, play my garage music.
Playing your garage playlist from Prime Music.
Alexa, play some jazz.
Playing smooth jazz from Prime Music.
Alexa, who's this?
This is Picnic Basket by Lolatone.
Alexa, turn that up.
Alexa, ask Domino's to send me my last order.
Okay, order placed.
Hey, isn't that Jason Schwartzman?
No, that's not him. I would know if that was him.
I'm pretty sure it's him.
Okay, Alexa, who stars in Mozart in the Jungle?
Stars include Malcolm McDowell, Jason Schwartzman.
Ha! See? I was right.
Alexa, change the bedroom temperature to 65 degrees.
Okay,
Alexa, lights off.
okay.
Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.